got all these cash. Now I can buy this because I'm really hungry right now. Let's go.
Hi, what do you want?
Hi, I think I want let me go for cupcake.
Okay, click on it, please. Okay,
Okay,
we're
done.
clicking now.
Wait, do I have to pay you? I have to pay you, right?
Just wait for a moment, sir.
Okay then, sir.
Give money, please. Don't you
Look at this. Look at this. Okay, I'll give you money. But how much does it cost? It doesn't even say there.
500, please.
Oh, I don't. 500? Wait. I think I have 500. Let me check.
It can be sometimes 20.
But since you said 500, I'm gonna give you.
Okay,
I'm gonna insert this, guys. Ow.
thanks.
So can I get the cupcake now? It's literally looking at me
Here's
right
your
now.
change.
Wait, what? I get a change? How much is it? 500? Hey, yo. Did you even multiply or something? Okay, let me just take this cupcake and let me just eat it. What?
Have a good day, sir.
Yeah. Mmm. Yummy. Thank you. I'll just throw this in the trash can. Oh, that's not the trash can. This is. I'll just place it here. This is the trash can. Bye.